Hello, fellow YouTubers. I found this snake when I went out to my garden. I don't know what got hold of the snake. As you can see, there's an opening right there. It's so sad. I don't know what kind of snake it